Good morning, children. Now I am going to teach second standard students. That is a subject, EVS subject, natural and woman-made things. Natural and woman-made things. First, you have to understand the meaning of this lesson. First title, natural means in nature. Whatever things we are getting in nature are called natural things. And human-made things means things which are made by the man and woman. Both are same. Man and woman are same, which are made by us. Women mean us. Those things are called human-made things. I already told in previous class what is meant by natural, what is meant by human-made things also I told. But natural things, for example, rock. Rock is natural thing, no? Nobody are made this. Nobody made this. Natural things. Gift of God, no? Natural things. Plants, some animals, also some animals. These are not made by the man. God made this. So God gift. Natural things. And women made things. For example, chair. For example, chair is made by the man. Board. This book. What is this? Book. This is etc. We built a house also. House, yes or not? Okay, etc. These are all some man-made and natural things which are given by the gift of God, or natural things gift of made by which are things which are made by the woman or man are called man-made things. For example, chair, board, book, house, etc. So many things are there. Those things are man-made things. See here, once again I am going to repeat this chapter. We see different kinds of things around. We are going to see different kinds. Some are natural and some are man-made things. Both we are going to see here around us, means in the environment. Some things are natural and some are human-made, means man-made things. Rock, plants, animals. These are all called natural things. Rock, plants, animals. Already I written. Rock, plants, animals are natural things. Examples of natural things, etc. means still some are there, but I am giving stop to here. So I am writing etc. Human-made things. Chair, board, book, house, etc. which are made by the man. Next, see your book, textbook 177 page, natural things. The things that we get from the nature that are made by the woman, not made by the woman. Some things we get from the nature which are not made by the woman. Gift of God is called natural things. Some things are in environment we get not made by the man or natural things. Some things are made by the man. We get in nature and nature other things. Some things are made by the man are called man-made things. I already told chair, books, pen. Pen also man-made. Book, chair. Okay, different things are made of different materials. Different materials we are using to prepare different things. We get different types of materials from the both living and non-living wood. Both living things, non-living things, non-living things. Means it is going to reference L. Living things which are having life, those things are called living things. Things which are not having life or non-living things. We can move living things. Here non-living things not move from one place to another place. They can't talk, they can't move, they can't walk. Non-living things. Here living things means they can move from one place to another place, they can talk, they can think, everything, respire. Okay. Wood, rubber, metal, paper, plastic, clay and glass are examples of materials. Some different things which are made by the both living and non-living things. They are mixed together. Different kinds of things made by the man. For example, wood. This would be non-living thing, no? This is example of non-living thing. But this wood from the living, only coming from the living thing. Means how it comes from the living thing means plant. Plant is example for living thing, no? Plant or tree. The tree, from the tree we get wood. This is from both non-living and living together. New materials. Different new material. This is new material. Wood is new material. From the tree only, living tree. From living thing we get materials. From new materials, living or non-living. Sometimes non-living things also we are going to use for making different materials. For making different materials, we are using living and non-living things. Understood? Some things are made by the mud and clay. Some things are made by the mud and clay. Already told in previous class. Some things are made of wood. We get wood from the trees. Where? From the trees. We get wood from the trees. Some things are made of rubber. Some things are made of rubber. Rubber also we get from the tree, no? We get rubber from the rubber plant. Where we get rubber? From the rubber plant. We get also paper, means from the paper plant. See here some paper bags also prepared, newspaper. These papers also we get from the paper plant. Next, multiple choice questions also I told, no? See here in green color box they are given multiple choice questions, means like this code, otherwise cross like this. Understood? Which of the following is natural thing? First question, which is natural thing? Option A, air. Option B, chair. Option C, paper. Which is natural thing? Here air, chair, paper thing. Air is natural thing. A is correct. So A put correct. First one, B and C are wrong. Come to second. We get wood from dash. From option A, soil. Option B, tree. Option C, sheep. From where we get wood? From the trees. I already told trees. So option B is correct. Option B in second one, option B is correct. A1 and C1. A1 soil. Option C, sheep is wrong answers. B1 is right answer, tree. Next, Some things are made of metals. We get metal from the earth. Where we get metal from? From the earth. Inside the earth only metal. We get metals. Metals example aluminium, copper, iron, etc. These are some materials, common materials. Common materials and metals also these are aluminium, copper, iron. These are getting from where? In the earth only. Understood? From those we can make cars, vehicles, some other things, metals, copper vessels, some metal vessels. Like this we are going to prepare. And brass and steel are made in factories. In factories, brass materials, steel materials also we are going to see in factories. They are preparing in factories. We are going to get these metals, brass and steel. Brass, some brass, they are made doors, brass windows. Those are looking very, very nicely, and also very hard material. And steel utensils means you are using in cooking utensils. So many utensils also we are preparing from steel. And glass. See, from here I left. See here, from glass I have to do in this class. This is about previous class. Glass is made from sand in factories. How glass is made? From sand. Have you seen sand? Construction of house, sand is using, no? It is like a soil. Not soil, it is like a somewhat. Like means slightly different. But it is not like a soil. It is different from soil. Sand. 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 Not a soil. Sand. Is this sand, using this sand in factories, preparing glass. Things like a bottle, glasses are made of glass. Some bottles and glass are made of the glass material. Plastic. Next come to plastic. Plastic is made in factories. Some plastics are soft, some plastics are hard. Plastic. In the plastic we can see some are very soft plastic, some are very hard. Hard means very thick, very hard material means we can't break easily, very hard. Thin means we can break easily. Like this. See a lunch box, plastic lunch box, bucket, bottles. Some are very hard, some are very soft. Some examples they are given. Lunch box, plastic lunch box, bucket, bottle is given here. Brass, steel, glass and plastic are made in factories. They are women-made material. They are made by the women. They are made by the women. Women-made materials. Not natural. Next, cotton and wool. Wool, silk are used for making cloths. The cotton means plant, wood from tree, and silk from silkworms. Silkworms also some plants. These are used for making clothes. These are living things. These are what? Living things. Cotton, now non-living. After living things, it becomes non-living. Cotton, wool and silk. Becoming non-living things, it used in factories and prepared some silkworms, wool like this. Cotton, wool and silk are used for making cloths. We get cotton from plants. Where? From plants. Cotton. We get wool from sheep. And silk from silk mouse. Silk from silk mouse. wood from, next wool from sheep, silk from silk mouse, silk from silk mouse, wool from sheep. Next, turn the page, save the earth. Plastic is harming our planet. We should reduce its uses. Plastic is harmful to our planet. We should reduce using. We have to going to stop using means we have to stop using. Reduce means we have to stop. Not stop. Slowly we have to stop. Use paper on cloth bags instead of plastic bags. You are going to take your plastic bags now. Instead of using plastic bags, you have to use cloth bags and paper bags. In place of plastic, we can use paper and cloth bags. Recycle paper to save our earth. We have to recycle paper to save our earth. Recycle means it comes in a next chapter. Then I will explain. Then you can get easily. Understand. You can understand easily, no? Okay. Now, overall questions. I am asking you some questions. If you know means answer. Otherwise, I will tell answers. Which major things is harming our planet? Which major things are harming? Only I told you. Which major things harming our planet? Plastic. Which is plastic. Plastic. Which thing? Plastic. Next, name two metals. Name two metals. What? Aluminium, copper, or aluminium iron, or copper iron. Whatever three are given here, only you have to tell two. Iron or copper or aluminium, whatever you wish. Only two metals. Next, name two things made of plastic. Name two things which are made by the plastic. Lunch box, bottles, buckets. Buckets you are using now in bathing, cleaning everything. Buckets, bottles, water drinking bottles, water bottles, lunch box. So these are some materials made with the plastic. Next, name three things. Three natural things. Name three natural things. They are asked to give three examples of natural things. I already told you. First one, these are plants, animals. Are three natural things. You have to tell rock, plants, animals are three natural things. Next, take. If answer is correct, you take and fill in the blanks. If wrong means cross like this. Understood? Now I am telling first question. A car is made up of dash. First option A, wood. Second option metal. Third option paper. First, a car is made up of metal. Metal. See in the textbook page number 179, car is made up of metal. They are given. So, option B metal is right answer. A and C are wrong answer. In first question, B is correct answer, metal. Next, second, rubber is used for making dash. Rubber is used for making tires, books, cloths. Rubber is used for making tires. Option A is correct answer. Books are not correct. Wrong answer. Cloths are wrong answer. Only tires are correct answer. You have to fill. Option A you have to take. And third, plastics are dash. options natural materials, homemade materials, made from mud. Three options they given. Once again I am going to read. Plastics are dash. Option natural materials, homemade materials, made from mud. Plastic, which homemade materials. So option C is correct. Option A natural materials. Option B made from the wood is wrong. A and B is wrong. C is right. In first, B metal is correct answer. In the second types of correct answer option A. And third answer, homemade material option C is correct answer. In fourth, Paya wants to erase the pencil marks on a copy, but she lost her eraser. Neeru gives her own eraser. What value do you learn from the Neeru? Understood? Once again I am going to read. Paya wants to erase the pencil mark on a copy, but she lost her eraser. Paya lost her eraser. She wants to erase it. Neeru gives her own eraser. What value do you learn from Neeru? Politeness, to be helpful, punctuality. What politeness? To be helpful, punctuality. Option A, politeness. Understood? B, helpful. C, punctuality. Which is right? Punctuality or helpful, politeness. B is helpful is correct answer. B1 is correct answer. What? Paya wants to erase it. So, for 4, B1 is option B is correct answer. A and C are wrong answer. Next, fill in the blanks you see here. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Here some words are given in the box. You have to fill in those words which is correct. You have to see and fill. First one, chase are dash things. Chase are dash things. Chase are not a natural things, no man-made things. Means homemade things. In first dash you have to write homemade. Okay, homemade things. Second, we get metals from the, where we get metals? Inside the earth only, no? So, earth. In second dash you have to fill earth. Brass is made in dash. Brass is made in factories. It is made in factories. In the third dash you have to fill with factories. And dash is made from the sand in factories. Dash is made sand in factories. Glass. Here they give see glass. Fourth. First woman made, next are factories, glass. Finished? Okay. Next, true or false? Here, pen and paper are women-made products. Yes or no? T. They give boxes. They have given some boxes here in green color. You have to fill true for T, false for F. Understood? False for F. T for true. Pen and paper are women-made products. T. True. Second, wool and silk are plant products. Wool and silk are plant products. That is not product of plant, no, false. Glass is made from the sand. It is true. Hut is made of wood. It is also first one T, true. Second one false. Third one T means true. Fourth one T means true. First, third, fourth T means true. Second one is false means F. Okay, understood? Next, identify the pictures. Identify and name the given picture. By seeing the picture, you identify this picture and name it. What its name you have to write down. See, it is picture of heart. You have to write heart spelling H-U-T heart. Second, wool. W-O-O-L wool. Third, glass. G-L-A-S-S glass. Understood? Same like this. You have to write. This is wool made by the wool. Next, plastic, comb, steel, spoon, pencil, wood. You have to this activity also. Thank you, children.